We're coming up to an interesting place on the right. I don't know if the camera will be picking it up yet. Still not quite sussed where the GoPro starts to pick things up and where it doesn't. There's a local legend, the legend of the Yorkshire Giant, Callum B'kers, who played golf in these parts. And back behind me, about 2 miles, is where he would start. It's where he would tee off. And he would be playing out towards Skipton, where his hole was. The hole of Menwith. And then the RAF came along and built RAF Menwith Hill. And the Giant carried on playing golf, but the RAF refused to give his balls back and wouldn't let him in, especially when the Americans took over, because this is now an American site. I don't know if you can see there in the distance, but that's Callum's giant balls, golf balls, that he's actually just leaving the field 200 yards short of a par 3 for a giant. Obviously par 3 is a much further distance. Many people come to try and photograph Callum B'kers balls, as you would. If you could see a giant's balls, you'd grab a snap, wouldn't you? And the Americans of Menwith don't like it at all. They try and put a stop to it, but you're allowed to, so many people sneak in and grab a quick photo. Might be able to see his balls through these trees. The Americans even put all these trees in to try and hide the balls. I suppose I mean, you see it on the TV in the programmes, the Americans do tend to be a little bit more squeamish about showing certain things. So, you know, hiding giant balls, not let them be shown on a screen, you can understand that they might want to do that. If I'm honest, I don't think all of what I said there is entirely true.